POS management, reports, posted transactions. Here you can show the details of the posted transactions on a time period. Also can enable the options given below to avail that reports. Unposted transactions. We can show the transactions which are unposted on a time period and can enable the options given below to show the transaction reports. We can process the unposted transactions by clicking on Process and by giving the invoice date. Holded invoice. In holded invoice, you can show the invoices you are holding and can show the reports of the options given below by enabling it. We can select the holded invoice type. Enable the options needed, then click Show. Setups. Counter setup. Here we can set the counter and can show the number of counters left in license. User setup. Here we can set the user setup and can show the number of users left in license. Item groups. Addition and updation of item groups are possible here. We can give item group name, image, and can enable the options given below if the item group is linked to a counter. Here having the option for adding new items to item group. Receipt setup. Here we can update the receipt setup. We can give the counter code, receipt header image, 3 receipt headers, and receipt footers. Weigh scale setup. Here we can set the scales for the measurement of items. Give the details barcode prefix, item code starting at, prefix width and code width. Here we can set the quantity or amount of the item as in value or decimal. Printer groups. Here we can add and update printer groups. Give the name, device name, then port number.